beautiful October day, 2025. Place a trade. Look at that. I, the earlier trade which is already posted now, I showed that you have to be confident of your calculations and you will achieve your goal. But it has to be calculated risk. You should always do risk management. And look here what happens. I was so confident that if I place a trade, I'll be doing good. Now look at that. I place a trade right here. You can see right here. Right here. I'm circling it with my crosshair here at 24,565 when the market was at that point. Look at the confidence that I have calculated my trade correctly. I can get even more, and you can see already $6,145 in one trade here. It can make money. Now you can multiply by number of units you come into play here. I can, just to prove a point here, I'm going to increase here, and let's see how much money we make here. We place the trade, how about we place the trade right here again and add to it, right? To show you that you can make money, or leave it at 2. Don't get greedy, right? Okay, well, how about that? What the heck? I'm going to place a trade here.
Order submitted.
I have placed a trade here. I put in another 4 to buy. We already have made 6,000 and counting. Would it give me where my stop is to cash in on this trade here? Hopefully, yes. We'll see it. If not, not. So be it. But I'm so confident that if you do your homework right, you can achieve it. If I can do it, you can do it. I know this is not live broadcasting, but I have promised that after a short vacation, I will go live here and you all can trade with me. No financial advice ever. Please count your chickens before they are before they are not hatched, right? So, but I'm confident that I can I make it? I put in another 4 buys in there. Would it let me achieve that goal? I think I can because my calculations are correct. Look at my stop loss. That was a long time ago. How about that we bring our stop loss up here and we don't lose all that we have gained. Although, since I put 4 more in, I may lose whatever it's showing $6,000 plus we have made already. Can it let me achieve the goal where I finally say I stop at that point? Well, actually...
Order filled.
Oh, order is filled already. All right. What's going to happen is going to happen. We are going to cash our eggs. There's a big basket here. It's a tall order. It's getting a lot of resistance, but I'm confident that we can achieve right here. Just to make sure, this is where I want.
Order canceled.
That's where I want here. We want to. We would.
Order submitted.
That's where we're going to stop it. Oh, it's taking a downturn. There goes my $6,000. Well, you never know. But I'm still confident that I'll achieve the goal. There's $6,000 in this trade. You saw it. Right now, I can still cash it at $5,000. But I'm confident that it will give me the money I'm looking for. This will be one of the big trades which is going to go on record here. Are we being clobbered here? Yes, at the moment we are. Should we cash it? Ooh, am I going to lose everything here? Do I need to bring my stop loss back so that, see, when I added the trade here, what's going on here? I need to bring this guy down before it cashes it, right? It is going to take the money away. I was so confident that I can do it. Can I do it? I was hoping I can do it. Well, $6,000 you saw. It was in the money in the bank. Even now, $3,000 we can cash it. Now, since I have added more to buy, it is hurting me right now. Would it hurt me more? profit has dropped down from $6,000 to $2,000. Good idea, bad idea, bad idea. We better close shop here. What do you say? All that effort of achieving the goal, is it busted? Well, hope is alive, right? Don't know. Cash it right now. You saw $6,000. It was money in the bank, right? But look what happened. So it is interesting. Should we get out? Should we get our money and we call it a day? See, we already made what in the morning, like what $1,200 or so. Yeah. And now we were at $6,000. I could have cashed my chips. Although this is not gambling, this is serious business. This is trading. This is your hard-earned dollars. Look at that. It's $3,700. Let's say $3,500. Cash it and then enjoy the rest of the day. Why I am that? I don't want to say that I'm being cocky here. I feel like that I do have this grasp here. So let's test our metal here. Hoping that the trade is placed correctly, which I did a long time ago. If you look at the trade now, of course, when I've added it, it shows that it's a very late trade. But if you watch the beginning of this trade here, the trade was placed a long time ago, and it gave me $6,000. And it taking a bite again, would it go up? I'm confident that I have placed a long trade, and it will yield fruits. It will. It's very hard to predict how the things will go. You do. What I'm just saying is, you do your calculations and you say, okay, even $2,000 is plenty, right? We already made what, $1,240 earlier. You add another $3,000 to it. That's $4,000 for the day. But I don't know why I'm so gung-ho that I want to make $6,000 and more on this particular trade here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the size of the trade. It's $3,000 in the bank. What am I waiting for? $6,000 were, look at that, just in the last 5 minutes, we were at 6,000 and we have dropped to 2,000 here. What, 29, 3,000. So in a matter of seconds, you can lose all what it is. And if it takes a swing going south, well, then that profit today is all gone, right? Okay, well, we shall see here. I'm hoping to cash it here. Let's keep our fingers crossed here. I gotta put some music on. All right. I enjoy all genre of music. My favorite, of course, is the jazz. I like to listen when I'm taking a walk. So, all right, I'll go with. Let's ask Miss Google to play. Oh, let's say Bee Gees. Hey Google, play Bee Gees. Look at that. We are back at what, $4,000. Time to cash our chickens here. Let me up the music here. Hey Google, raise the volume by 50%. Okay, I don't know if can you hear the music in the background? I would not know because the way this recording is. Let me increase it by another 50%. Hey Google, raise the volume by 50%. It may be very loud now. That's a drum roll, right? Look at that. $4,000, $5,000. We may be. I'm salivating. Uh-oh. Look at that. $4,000 in the bank. Am I being greedy? You might say, why do I I mean, is it fun and games? No, it's not fun and games. This is serious business because look at that $6,000 we are hitting it again. Can we make where my close deal is? That may turn into a beautiful, beautiful trade. $6,000 in the bank if I cash it. Uh-oh. $5,000. Ah! Let me bring this BGs down. Hey Google, cut the music by 70%. Oh, I like Miss Google. She listened to my command. Oh man. All right, where are we? For $5,000? Should we take it? Should we take the money and run? I think we should. I think we should. $5,000. We earlier made what? 1,200 something? So that's $6,000 for just, what, about 15, another 15, 20 minutes? Why am I hopeful? Because look at that. We are back up to 6,000. I want to see where it goes. I'm not going to let up on this here. I'm going for the kill. Oh, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8. It's going to hit it, the jackpot of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the biggest drum roll. How many we have? We have 6 in the pocket here. 6 MQs in place, so that's $1,000 each. $6,000 is good money. Would it let me achieve it? Or is it going to take away all what I have gained today? Oh dear, look at that. There are $6,000 on the line, right? Because of 6 NQs. That's $1,000 each, 100% money on the return. $7,000, still time to cash. Why I'm being greedy? I just want to prove a very small point here. If you do your homework right, this is not gambling. This is serious money. This is serious business. Money is money. Who's going to give us in about 15-20 minutes $7,000, $5,000 here? So you do your calculation right. Don't go by emotions. Don't get your passions involved. A lot of calculations are involved here. And this is why I'm so confident that I had 4 earlier and I bought 2 more in there just to prove to myself that if you make the calculations right, it can go wrong. Market is not in your control. There are so many factors. There are institutional investors in there. One can just pull the rug and look at that. From we dropped from $6,000 earlier to what, $2,000. We went up to what, 7,000 plus. Now it is still, there's a fight going on between the buyers and the seller. Am I going to take a hit here? Look at that. All that $7,000 is gone down. I don't know. Maybe it turns into what I'm thinking. I may lose my shirt here in a way, in a sense. Well, look at that, $7,000. So it's losing shirt. I mean, why should I do that, right? But I am confident. I'm confident that the calculations are correct. This is a huge trade. Look at that, $7,000 we were hitting the mark. It may hit that 7,000 again. That's 100% return, right? Should I cash it? Should we call it, am I being greedy? Tell me, or am I too confident? Yes, I am. I am too confident, and sometimes overconfidence kills you, right? Maybe. I'm at $7,000. Look at that, 7,000 plus. Oh, we got some change in our pocket here. Do you hear the music? Oh, yes, I do hear the music in the background. I don't know about you guys. Oh, I'm so thrilled. I don't know. Believe me, just like you, you're watching, I'm watching, and I'm sitting on the edge of my chair here. am I going to achieve where I said I will get out? But I put 4 in there. I better add 2 more. Okay, I'll kill it at that point. It should be actually 6 of them to sell because we have 6 NQs in play. 2000 I bought very early. I added 2 more to it, and that makes it a big chunk here. I need to do. Is it going to happen? Is it going to happen what I want out of this here? I don't know. It is always you don't know. You do your homework and you still don't know. That's where exactly I am. Why am I not getting my money and run? Am I going insane? I'm being greedy. Look at that. I've just from $7,000 been dropping to $6,000 and maybe less even. Is it a smart thing to do? No, it's not smart. I should call it, I should say it, that this is it. $7,000, another opportunity. How many opportunities I'm getting to get out of this trade? It's hard. It's hard. It's hard on me that I'm not making up my mind. $6,000 is $6,000. That's $7,000. For heaven's sake, you must be screaming, get out, get out. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. Trust me, I'm sitting on the edge of my seat here. I for some reason, I hope I'm not overconfident in this trade here. It may bust me. $7,000. How many opportunities one can get like this here? And I'm still saying no. I'm hungry. Bad boy. Okay. $7,000. It is sweet, my friends. It is sweet because we earlier made $1,200. Look at that again. Another. How many opportunities will I get to cash my $7,000 and call it an $8,000 day, right? Oh, why am I pushing it? Why am I pushing it? I don't know. I think my 7,600. Oh my. Which way am I going with this? I'm thinking oh God. You know, no matter how long one has been trading, no matter what, look at that $7,400, $7,000, you still, every time a trade is placed, no matter how good you are at what you do, it is still, you're on the edge of this here. But it is giving a perfect opportunity. How many times it has given me to cash on $7,000? I did not. Am I going to be slapped here? Oh, it's not going in my favor. Oh, am I losing it? Am I losing it? Am I losing for all I have gained? That $7,400 I was looking at, it has just melted. It is going back up. Would it go higher where I wanted? Again an opportunity. God Almighty, you must be pulling your hair that why is this guy not saying enough is enough? Take this money and run, right? It is screaming at me, and you must be screaming at me. You must be thinking I'm a lunatic. Why don't I take this, say, $6,000 and say I'm happy? $7,000, how many times? I've lost count how many times we hit that $7,000 mark. Oh, my. Where is it going? Where is it going? Is it going my way? Okay, do it. Oh, $7,000, is it? Oh, $8,000 climbing, and it's about to take that bite where my deal is. $8,500, my friend, and it is still not hit that mark where I have it. Oh, it's slipped again. It slipped again. You know what, as Shakespeare said it, many a slip between a cup and a lip, and that's exactly what has happened here. Oh God. Oh, what is happening? We have been 20 minutes and counting. Is it 20 minutes? Yeah, something like that, and counting in this trade here. We hit the $8,000 mark. And I have still not cashed my trade here. Why? Why? You must be really thinking this guy is total nuts. That hey, you might be saying, yeah, you know how to trade, but come on, guy, cut yourself a deal here. Take your money and run. Oh my God! It dropped from $8,000 to $5,000. Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh Lord, have mercy. How can I lose that $7,000? It's nobody gives you that kind of money, my friends. Nobody does that. I was right there, but I don't know why I'm saying I'm being stubborn here, right? I was right there at the edge where it brought me to $8,000. I could have said, okay, I'm done for the day. I didn't do it. Am I going to get a slack here, or all that effort is gone? Oh my God. From $8,000, look at that. It's coming down. It's coming down to hurt me. Oh no, oh no. All that money, where is it going? Oh no, it went the other way. $4,000, still take your money and run. Oh my God, what did I do? It is crashing my hoop. You must be cursing me now. Now what's the matter with me? I had $7,000 many times in my hand. I didn't take it. Now I'm still on the butcher block. Don't know where it will stop. It might give me a bad hickey here. Oh, what I'm doing to myself. Is this called torturing yourself? No, I'm not. I am not a masochist. Why am I doing this? Oh, Lord have mercy. How many 20 plus minutes in the trade? Oh, Lord. So many times I had $7,000 to cash. I didn't do it. Oh, it's well, you know, I'm where I'm sitting across my desk is the window outside, looking at the beautiful neighborhood, the trees and all that stuff. And every time it goes down, I look outside to have a fresh perspective. See if it will work for me. I don't know, but this is not the way to trade. Honestly, why I'm playing with fire like this here. I had so much opportunity, so many different opportunities here to take my money and run. $7,000 were a lot of money. Even it hit the $8,000. You are witness to it. $7,500 money on the money. We were out. I didn't leave the table. Oh, and I know I'm not sitting at a casino table. I keep telling others. I keep telling myself, and again it's climbing. How many times there may be an opportunity to cash this thing here? Would I get what I want now? I don't know. Again, it was $5,000 and it's going back and forth, back and forth. Oh, it's slipping again. It's slipping again. Oh no, oh no, oh no. That may be it. That may be it, boys and girls. That may be it. That opportunity of $7,000 may have slipped from my hands. It's very likely it may have slipped from my hands. I think so. I think that $7,500 was the tops. All right. Okay, I have to make a decision here. I cannot go on like this here. This is giving you the torture, and I'm giving myself a torture here. It's $4,000. I have to make a decision here real quick. I better be trigger happy here and close this deal here. I should not be playing with this thing here anymore. I'm playing with fire. It gave me every time, how many times, $7,000 opportunity, and I did not cash it. Am I lamenting? Well, no use crying over spilt milk. Right there it was $5,000 again. I didn't cash it. I think that was a pretty good deal. $7,500. I miscalculated. $7,500 was the tops for it. All right, cashing it. what can we say? Would it give another opportunity? No, it doesn't work like that. So I think time to cash it. There you go. Slipped how much money? Cashing it.
Order filled.
Look at that. Look at that. $7,500 was in the hand, and I let it slip like the sand in your hands. You live and learn. Was I being greedy? Yeah, tell me that. What did I do to myself? Why did I do to that myself? But look at that. Calculations were in place. I think $7,500 was the tops on this trade here. And I was hoping that I would go over $8,000. Next time, is there always another time, right? All right. I'm calling it quits here. Okay. All right. That's it. I'm done. Thank you, everybody. Sorry, I kept you on edge. I was on edge myself. $7,000, $7,500 was the tops. Although it went up to 8,000, and it right there where you saw where I had the stop trade on it to cash it, it didn't hit quite that market just by another I would say a hair thin, and it threw me out. Well, so be it. That is it. Learn lesson. Call it a day. Whatever it is, you saw it. You know we can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye now.